This video is all about good old Matic, the Polygon that was just listed on Pro Coinbase. We're gonna have a price prediction for Matic, so stay tuned for that. If you're into that and you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. Definitely consider it. And if you're feeling generous today, slap that like button. So let's just dive right into it. How is the market doing today, guys? Let's see, Bitcoin hanging above $57,000. Remember, yesterday live, we got to see Bitcoin make history. The highest daily close candle in the history of Bitcoin, guys. That right there is a big deal. We got to see it live all together. So that's what's up. Seeing Bitcoin still hanging there just under 1,800 bucks. It seems like things are cooling off. Look, Binance coin is down 10% for the last 24 hours at 260 bucks, guys. It's still at $260. Like, wow. Cardano, ooh, we got some red here. We got some red. What do you like to buy, guys? You like to buy the red, or you guys like to buy the green? Real quick, guys, for some reason, a lot of new people, they get into this space. The first thing they do, they go to coinmarketcap.com and they go click on 24 hours, see what's pumping, and they go buy everything that's pumping. Please do not do that. If you chase the pumps, you're going to get dumped and you're going to lose a lot of hard-earned money. And you don't want to do that. So what you want to do is look what is down. Look what is down. NEM is still down. Wonder why. I would want to look into that a little bit more. But look, Theta's down, IOTA's down, PancakeSwap, guys. All these are not financial advice. All these are possible potential buying opportunities right now. Look at Graph. People are sick of the Graph. It is $1.80 right now. They're probably, oh my goodness, I'm so done with it. It's not pumping. The Binance coin pumped yesterday. Why is the Graph not pumping? Matic, Scale, and Sushi are pumping. So why are they not going? So please look at what's down, buy what's down, go from there. Buy low, sell high. That's how we like to do it on this channel. So if you buy low and sell high, congrats to you, because that's how you make money. Don't do what everybody does. They jump from pump to pump to pump to pump, and they get dumped and dumped and dumped and dumped every single time. I keep bringing this up over and over and over again in like almost every video because I want it to sink in. I want anybody that's new here to have that just sink on right in. So let's go check out the current price of what's Bitcoin doing real quick. As we mentioned, we have a possible cup and handle forming right here on the Bitcoin on the daily. And we all know that in order to form the handle, which would be like right here, we have to have a pullback, guys. I wouldn't be surprised to see us pull back a little bit closer to 50K and then bounce off. I'd love to see a nice healthy pullback. Bam, literally go to the moon, guys. Like literally go into the moon. I hope you guys bought your spacesuit because, you can't go there if you don't have a spacesuit, if you know what I mean. So you better go out and buy that while they're still affordable because they're going to, once we get there, it's going to be hot. So, you need air and all that stuff. I don't think there's oxygen on the moon or something like that. They forget to tell you that. But so that's a little update with Bitcoin. Just a quick brief, guys. We had our highest daily close, like we saw on last night's live stream. Bam! I want to see this continue. Look, nice solid uptrend. That's what I like to see. Nice solid uptrend. Let's go. But of course, looking at these coins on the Pro Coinbase. Sushi, Matic, Scale. If you live under a rock or you're just not up to date on crypto, guys, they were just listed on Pro Coinbase. And guess what? They were also listed on Coinbase.com. So all the new people that don't understand how to use Pro Coinbase are now able to buy them on Coinbase.com. But if you're new and you don't understand how to use Pro Coinbase, please go down to the description below. There's a video called, it's like free video to save on the terrible Coinbase fees. Watch that video. It's going to teach you how to put a limit order, how to save on those terrible fees because you want to use pro.coinbase.com because you're going to save a lot of money on fees. So please go do that. But of course, what this video is all about, guys, Polygon, Matic. It's not the Pokemon, guys. We're not going to evolve into what Polygon Z or whatever. It's like, is it going to evolve? Let's see. Will Polygon evolve? Hopefully it does. But as we see, 44 cents right now. We were actually a lot higher than that. Pulling up the Matic/Polygon chart. Look, we have this nice solid upward trend. Bam, look at that beauty right there. It just literally keeps going up and up and up. But every time just want to point this out, guys. We're following the trend here. We pump up, then we come back. This time we didn't actually touch the trend line, but then we pumped back up and then we fell back down. Pumped, came back, pumped, came back, pumped, came back, and then a tiny pump, but we hit the trend line right there. Bam, we're like really high. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us eventually come back here, guys. Eventually, something like that. I wouldn't be surprised to see us eventually come down to the trend line. Exactly when it's going to happen, I mean, nobody knows for sure. If we all knew timing, we'd all be millionaires. Probably wouldn't even be here watching the crypto homie. But I appreciate all the homies out there tuning in today. So I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, slap that subscribe button. But look, we're eventually probably going to hit this trend line because we've been holding it ever since. I mean, we barely touched, we did touch it right here. February 4th was very close. February 1st. So just keep that in mind. Oops, my face is not there anymore. So guys, just keep that in mind, guys. I wouldn't be surprised to see us come back. Let's get rid of that. And once we get back there, I mean, the potential prices, I mean, if we'd have a flash crash right now, you're talking like 26 cents. But if it takes some time, you're talking 35, 40 cents. You're talking not much of a pullback. But we could see a wick go underneath. Keep that in mind. We could see a wick go underneath. And let's just pull up. So we got the MACD pumping off, guys. You see with the MACD, we pumped up a lot of momentum, bam, but it wanted to cross, have the bear crash going down, but it said, we ain't doing that today, homie. We having a Coinbase listing. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. But look, it's cooling off though, because we had that pump, especially prior to, guys, the whole buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. Yeah, it does happen, guys. These things could, but we didn't call the whole, it was going to list on regular Coinbase the same day. I thought it was going to happen like a week later, but it happened the same day. So that's what really caused the momentum just to shift to the upside. People are going crazy. Same thing with the RSI, guys. Things are just going nuts. It is nice to see the RSI went slightly higher, so that is good, of course. So cool. But that's what I see so far there. So you guys talking about, price predictions. Let's go check out the actual market cap, guys. So you have a max of 10,000, 10 billion Matic will ever be introduced into the ecosystem. There's currently about 4.9 billion out, so there's about 50% of them are already released to the wild, like good old Polygon's released in the wild. So we got about 4.5 billion. No, sorry, 4.9 billion released, about 50%. Keeping in mind, we definitely want to see what's going on there, how are they releasing them, etc. But as of right now, we have a $2.17 billion market cap. So if we keep the same circulating supply and the market cap doubles, so we go for 4.2 billion, now you're going to have a double in price of Matic. So you have a, what's that, 86 cents, 87 cent Matic. So I really do believe when we're looking at market caps, look, so you have Matic, which is, I said 2.4, somewhere in that range. And you have like something like Litecoin at 14 billion, Polkadot at 32 billion, and it goes up, Binance Coin at 40 billion. So if you believe that Matic can actually help Ethereum out and actually become useful in the space, actually become a real deal, maybe you're looking, hey, it's going to get closer to what Binance Coin's at 40 billion, because maybe by then it reaches that. Binance Coin could be maybe 100 billion. So if you're talking like a $40 billion market cap Matic, that is literally going to be about a 20x right here, because the 10x would be about 20 billion. 40 billion would be like a 20x. So you're talking 20x this price right here, guys. So just take 20 times 43 cents. It's definitely a bigger number, but just simple math here. If we get a 10x with a $20 billion market cap, so 10 times 43 cents, if I'm not mistaken, that would equal a really big number. No, wouldn't that equal like, let's pull that up. I know, like, this is more like a live stream, how we just do this stuff real live. So 43 cents times good old a 10x, $430 per Matic. I feel like that is probably incorrect, guys. I just did it. No, $4.30, guys. It's a $4.30 Matic. I know, guys. Like, this video is more like a live stream. Got some errors in there, but guys, we keep it real here. It's real authentic. So just keep that in mind as well. So a possible $4.30 Matic. You guys see my mental math's not that great, but of course, wouldn't that be crazy? So if you're talking a 20x, you're talking about $8.60 dollar Matic. So, and with the probably introduction of more in the circulating supply, I would assume it'll probably be closer to like 750. It'll probably be a little less because there'll be more out there in the circulating supply. I don't exactly know how that works, but if you're actually interested in knowing that, definitely go check that out. If you're investing long term, you believe in the long term of Polygon / Matic. So keep that in mind, guys. I mean, we could potentially see a $4 to $8 Polygon. It's definitely possible in this bull run. I wouldn't be surprised. There's more liquidity on Pro Coinbase, so keep that in mind. One thing, like little hint, hint, wink, wink, Sushi has not moved much. Sushi has not moved much. And I want to point out one coin that I think has a lot of potential right now in Pro Coinbase. It is a Litecoin, guys. Litecoin. I really do believe there's a lot of potential. People are underestimating that. So just keep that in mind, guys. That's a little wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Not financial advice, if you know what I mean. So what do you guys think about Matic? Do you guys think a $4 to $8 Matic is possible? Let me know down below. And as always, homies, you stuck through this long. I appreciate you, homie. Smash that subscribe button. And if you're feeling generous, that like button too. It really does help out the channel. I appreciate all you homies out there. Have a great day. And guess what? I'll catch you guys on the next one. So peace out.